Section 6.8, Example 3, on page 490, we have recall from lesson 2.5 that for any transformation y equals a times f of x minus h plus k of the parent function f of x, a indicates a vertical stretch or shrink. Similarly, for the combined transformation y equals a times the square root of x minus h plus k, a indicates a vertical stretch for the absolute value of a greater than 1, or a shrink for the absolute value of a less than 1. A negative value of a indicates a reflection in the x-axis. So for example 3, it says, what is the graph of y equals negative 1/2 times the square root of x minus 3 plus 1? The first step to graph y equals negative 1/2 times the square root of x minus 3 plus 1 is to identify points of the parent function. So that's this piece right here. The black dashed graph is going to be our parent function, and we have the point 0, 0, 1, 1, and 4, 2. Step 2 is to multiply the y-coordinate by a equals negative 1/2. This results in a vertical shrink of the graph by 1/2 and a reflection over the x-axis. If we multiply the y value here, 0, by negative 1/2, we still get 0, so this point doesn't move. We still have 0, 0. Here we have the y value of 1, so if we multiply 1 by negative 1/2, we get negative 1/2. So instead of 1, 1, we now have 1, negative 1/2. And our y value here is 2. So if we multiply by negative 1/2, we get negative 1. So we have the point 4, negative 1. The last step is to use the values of h, which here is 3, and k, which here is 1, to find the vertical and horizontal translations. Remember, h always comes after the negative sign, so the negative 3 means that h is 3. K comes after a plus sign, so it's exactly how you see it. So we're going to take these red points, and we're going to move them 3 to the right and 1 up. So 0, 0 moves over 3, 1 up, and becomes 3, 1. 1, negative 1/2 moves 3 to the right and 1 up to become 4, positive 1/2. And then 4, negative 1 moves 3 to the right and 1 up to become 7, 0. So this blue graph right here is going to be our final answer. The work for this problem is written out on the next 2 slides. And now I would like you to try number 5, graph y equals 1/2 times the square root of x plus 2 minus 1.